Alright, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're going to do a nice, easy video, super easy. But I've gotten some questions on it, so I thought I'd just do a quick video on it. Yeah, let's come in, check out what we got. We're going to be cooking some hash browns, just showing you how I do it. A couple different kinds of hash browns, so let's see what we got. Alright, so here's what we got. We got fresh hash browns right here, this stuff that just goes in the refrigerator. We got some frozen patties, that's for the kids, you know how that is. And we got some frozen hash browns. I know a lot of people use these. I don't really use these, so I'm gonna try them out, see how it goes. I'm sure it's gonna cook similar to this, so let's just get this thing warmed up and get it going. Alright, we got the griddle nice and hot. We're working at about 450 to 420. So let's get these. We're gonna start off with the little guys, these little patties. Just gonna put them there, forget about them for a little bit because they take a little while to cook. So let's just throw some oil on right here. There we go. Get the spatulas nice and ready. Oh, lost my spoon. Alright, and now let's go ahead. Oh, keep that. You want to keep the oil away from them patties. Them things are greasy themselves, so you don't need no oil over there on them. They'll cook up just fine. Alright, now we got a bunch of oil down. Let's put some butter down. Nope. Little struggle over here. Alright, let's throw a nice big glob of butter down here. Alright. Alright, there we go. We got the butter nice and hot. That's all good. Now let's throw some hash browns down. Get a little color action from that butter and the oil. Let's start off with the frozen. These are probably going to steam a lot more. Gonna be some clumps in there too. I tried to break it up as best I could. Oh, see, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, that's fine. They'll break down. At least I think they will. Yeah. Let's try and break these things up a little bit. There we go. I'm gonna make a mess with them. All right. Alright, we got a bunch of that butter and oil on there. I think I had the griddle a little too hot. Burn the butter a little bit. Get them in a pile. That's what I like to get them in a nice little pile. And then let's throw some salt and pepper on them. Like so. Alright, and then we're gonna cover them up. Just let these go. We're gonna just let them go right there. Now we got all this. Yeah, I see that butter burned a little bit. Oh well, that's not gonna hurt nothing. Still gonna be delicious. Alright, so let's throw these fresh style on here. Alright, there we go. Set them on. Now let's just flip them around. Yeah, I forgot I had to flip these things around. I grabbed the wrong spatula. This is for flipping the hash browns. But we're good. We're okay. Put them in a little pile. Go, throw some salt and pepper down. Alright, and then we're going to cover them up as well. Boom. Just let them go. Let's give these a flip. See how we're looking? Alright, they're starting to brown. There we go. See, there's that grease. Yeah, that stuff got a good amount. So Let me just hit pause on there and bring you back when I'm ready to flip these over. All right, now let's see how we're looking here. Am I looking good? Don't want to waste that. Let's just put that over here. Actually, let's get a look at these real quick. All right, them are cooking up good. There we go. All right, let's put this up here. These are looking good right now. These are looking good as well. Oh yeah, it's gonna be some good stuff. All right, so now let's just flip. Let's flip these over. We got. Here we go. Let's try this. See how this works out. Oh, look at that. Oh, that looks pretty good actually. Needs to cook up a little more, but all right. Let's get these. All right, came apart a little bit. There we go. Now we're just gonna cover these back up. Just let them keep going. Now, when I'm cooking a meal, I don't cook them like this. But you know, if you want to make them look pretty, this is the way to do it. So yeah, let's see what these look like in another few minutes. All right, good. All right, so let's check on these bad boys. Let's see what we got here with these patties. All right, them are looking good. Now I've had these before. They're not bad at all. I mean, they're not as good as McDonald's, but you know. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay, there we go. Oh, this is the side that had all the pepper on it. So we're looking good. That's gonna be delicious. It's nice and crusty on the outside. I'm just gonna leave them like so. Now let's see what we got over here. It's hot. All right, let's see what we got. Want to try and get it all the way up there. There we go. All right, yeah, you see all that pepper in there cooked in. Ooh, man, just another hot second. He's gonna be done. All right, so I believe we are done. So here's what we got. Let me go ahead and set these off to the side. Let me get a plate ready here. These are the frozen ones. I'm gonna put that right there. That's for the wife and kid. These are for the kid. And, ooh, this is really, really hot. Let me put this aside. Right there. Now these are gonna be mine. Right here, and I'm gonna be putting some biscuits and gravy over this too, by the way. Just don't have that. I haven't decided how I want to cook that on the Blackstone yet, but I will be doing that. So we got all the burners off. Get that right there. Let's get my cutting board. Put you right here. All right. Let's see what we got here. These things look good. They're nice and crusty. All right. Oh yeah, that bottom is nice and crusty too. It looks really hot. Yeah, it's crusty. See, I mean, it's easy to cook hash browns on this bad boy. Super easy. Let's give it a taste. Oh, man, it's hot. Love hash browns. Got that pepper in there. Perfect. Just like that. So easy to do. I mean, you can mix it up, throw whatever seasonings you want in there, but I mean, it's so easy to do. You can just throw them on and do what you want. So I'm gonna get in and eat my dinner. Some nice brinner for dinner. So I appreciate you coming along. Like and subscribe. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook, and we'll see you on the next one.